In this video, I'll be showing you how to stabilize shaky video in Premiere Pro. It's a very simple method, so if you find this useful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you might have some footage that is quite shaky and it doesn't look smooth, and you want to make it smoother. So all you have to do is firstly open up Premiere Pro. Once you open it, it's going to look something like this, and then just open up the project that you want to do this on. So once the project is open and you have your timeline right here, locate the video file that you want to stabilize. All you want to do is see it on here. And as you can see, there's a lot of movement in this Fortnite clip. So all I want to do now, if I want to make this a bit smoother, is I want to go over to my effects control panel. Now, if you can't see your effects control panel, you want to head on over to window and look for your effects controls. You can also press Shift 5 to just include this. It's going to open up this and then you can add it to your main dock. Now in your effects control panel, all you want to do is type in warp. It's going to come up with different transitions and effects that you have, and all you want to do is you want to find warp stabilizer. And once you have this, just drag it and drop it onto the clip of your choice. It's going to say analyzing in background. Now the longer your clip is, the longer this is going to take. So mine is pretty short, it's only like 2 seconds long. So as you can see, it already done the warp stabilization. So now when we watch it back, it's a lot smoother, and this will work even better for real life clips. And if you want to change anything, you can go over to your effect controls panel, and as you can see, warp stabilizer is right there. And if I want to make it even smoother, I can change it to, let's say, 150%, and you can even change the method that it's doing this at. So I can do position, position scale rotation, perspective, and subspace warp.